Hello my people, happy day to you all. It is Friday here in Wilmington, North Carolina, and it's been about 4 days since I painted this. It's actually up on YouTube, on the tube, and I knew from the beginning, well actually I knew after I did my swiping, I wanted to keep this negative space, but I also wanted to do something to this negative space. So I'm going to add texture. Now, I always make extra paint when I'm doing an acrylic pour, and I have about 4 ounces of this color, this Tri-Art golden orange. I also have extra paint in the tube, so I'm going to go ahead and add some texture in through here. What I thought is I would kind of scrunch up and add a nice subtle texture using the wet strength tissue paper. I will put it on with my matte gel gloss medium, and then I might add some crackle ground to it. And then once this dries in a couple of days, I'll come in and paint it, and maybe even fiddle with some of these areas. I even considered, I did another swipe using these colors. I'll show you a picture of it. I even considered cutting up that canvas and adhering it to this. So I'm just kind of getting funky, getting creative Friday here, and I thought I would share it with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get busy.
So we go. I've been everywhere, I've seen so many things. I've loved and I have lost, I felt the bite sting. I've died 100 times, but my heart is moving still. That is the journey that we're on, and to that starlit sky we gaze and question why. And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we
It's been, I think, 2-3 days. I don't know. I was busy doing other things, but this is all dry. Crackle paste. We've talked about this before. As you can see up here, this area was applied very thin, so you get very small cracks. This area right here, I went over twice, and it gave me bigger cracks. This area and through here, medium cracks because of a medium application of the Tri-Art crackle ground. And this dried up really nicely too. Now, once I paint this tissue paper, once I paint this, it's going to give it some extra security. And then once I varnish it, it'll give it twice as much extra security so that it gets a real nice hard surface on it and nothing can hurt it. I'm going to go ahead. I've got all my leftover paints from when I did this pour. This is the base coat color right here. I'm going to give that a go, but because it's diluted with Floetrol and GAC, it would take several coats. So I just might use the Golden Orange by Tri-Art right out of the tube. I don't know. I might even ombre this a little bit, which would be kind of nice with these colors. But once again, more than one coat because it's diluted. I'm going to tape off this area so I don't get any paint down here to protect this, and then we'll let it dry, and then it'll get a nice coat of a nice isolation coat by Golden to protect the painting, and then probably a couple of coats of satin varnish. So let's get busy and see if we made this better.
So we go.